Hi guys, well, I'm afraid the Beetle project is taking a little bit longer than I expected due to the foul weather we've been having lately, and this weekend looks set to be pretty foul too. So what we're going to do is, in the meantime, save some time, is have a go at this door skin on this door. So I think what I might do first of all is try sanding off some of this crazed, I don't know if you can see it on there, this crazed stuff which I've got a feeling the door may be dented, and have a load of a skimmer filler over it and that started to crack up, so perhaps investigate that first, or take off the gubbins and have a look behind it and try sanding it a bit. If not, out there in stock I've got a new door skin to go on, which will be a lot more work, but the ultimate, well, a new door would be the ultimate solution, but next to that, a door skin, I don't really want to go down that road unless we have to, but let's see what we can see. So the first thing I'm going to do is make myself a bit of a working area. So yeah, this is a bench that I knocked up just for this purpose, really, to do this kind of work on. And let's get the door up there and see what's what. Okay, so I've stripped the door out on the inside, panels and everything, and it doesn't look too bad actually. There's a bit of a dent down in this area. I don't really understand why it's got this sort of heavy application or this skimmer filler all over it, but as you can see from my efforts, I've been going over it, going over all the cracks. The bottom edge of it is really good along here, pretty solid. Alright, it's a bit of surface rust and that, what do you expect for a car of this age? I don't think it's the original door, I don't know. These are knackered, a lot of play in there. Gonna have to do that. Not looking forward to them, they're right pigs to get out. But anyway, that's another story. What I'm thinking about this is now possibly just filling this again, sanding it back, because as I say, I've got there's the new door skin in there, but I know from past experience, ooh, get down. Yeah, I know from past experience that it can be a bit of a pig of a job getting all this off. There's all spot rivets along around. They've got to all be taken off and cleaned up, and so what I'm thinking is maybe for the time being, because it's not a show car, is to fill this and flat it back. So, well, I've got a bit of progress. Yep, you can see actually it's brightened up a bit now. Oh, by the way, you see my little Volkswagen collection in there. Wife's not very happy about it, but hey ho, she can suck it up. Yeah, so what would you do